In this video, I'll show you 8 websites that will pay you for doing simple tasks. If you're interested, ensure you stick with me to the end of this video as I'll be walking you through the different websites. I'll be showing you what you're expected to do and the potential earnings. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. This is Wealthy Mindset with Chidi, a channel where we talk about work from home job and making money online. Do consider joining the family by subscribing to this channel and also turn your notification bell on to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. The first website will pay you for writing articles for them. You can write as many articles as you want, so long as you are a good writer and can write original content. This opportunity is available worldwide. No experience needed to do this. The name of the website is called Wunderlist. Here you can write articles on people, animals, most expensive, bizarre, net worth, and so on. To find opportunity here, you scroll down to click on Write for Us. On this website, there are rules to working on this platform. The article should be a minimum of 1,500 words in length, should consist of a list of 10 things presented in descending order from 10 to 1. Images and videos are not necessary, but if you have any that you would like to include, you may send them along with your submission. The article should be interesting and never published before on wunderlist.com. The article should be genuine and factual. Any statistics or claims made in the article should be referenced. The article should be written in good English, free of grammatical errors and formatting issues. The article should be unique, relevant to the topic of the blog. The article should be informative and engaging for readers. The article follows the blog's editorial guidelines. The writer should include their bio and headshots as well as any links they would like included in the post. Now, the benefit of writing for Wunderlist, you will get $5 for each article. You will get a mention in each post. You can become member of the amazing writers team. Their payment method is via PayPal. And if you scroll down, you will find the kind of articles they do not accept on this platform. They do not accept casinos or gambling, e-commerce sites sell porn, weapons, drugs, material, adult content, content that advocates against an individual, group, or organization, copyrighted materials, drug, alcohol, and tobacco-related content, hacking and cracking content, violent content, weapon-related content, other illegal content. So long as you can keep to their rules, you can do this back and forth. The second website is called Remotasks. This is a website that will pay you for doing simple tasks online. The good thing about them is that they give you a free course to learn how to do tasks in their platform so you don't enter blindly. You get to know what to do and how to do what is expected of you. It is also available worldwide, as you can see on your screen, and while doing online tasks from home. On this platform, they have over 240,000 tasker and has paid over $15 million to people while they are in over 90 plus countries. To sign up on this platform, you need your email address and password, or you sign up with your Facebook or Google accounts. The next website is called Truelancer. It is a freelance platform that is available worldwide. There are lots of opportunity here where you can do simple tasks and earn good money. Here you can apply in different categories. You can apply in graphic designs, content writing, data entry, IT and programming, translation, and so on. These are some of the jobs posted on this platform. This job was posted 36 minutes ago from the time I recorded this video. This is someone from Nigeria as well. Ignatius posted a job as technical, IT, marketing and branding blogs and has charged $30 per hour. So this is a platform that pays on job posted. There are good pay on jobs posted on this platform. The next website is called Userfeel. This website is going to reward you for texting apps and websites. Recently, they introduced online survey and their survey pays really well. It's available worldwide. Anyone can apply to participate on this platform. Tester training and frequently asked questions. Become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. Each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. So if you're interested in working on this platform, read their instructions and watch their videos to understand better how they work. How much you can earn here depends on the test you are able to do, and if you're looking for a survey kind, you can also sign up on this platform. The next website will pay you for writing articles, but in a higher level, because you work for some big and reputable companies in the world. You need to know how to write very well because your work will be checked to know if you fit in the kind of job description for their brand. But even if you don't know how to write well, you can do some research online to know how to write for brands and company, how to write original content, how to come up with articles. Okay, this website is called Clearvoice and it's recently acquired by Fiverr, one of the biggest freelance platform in the world. When you work with Clearvoice, you write for top brands. The Clearvoice Talent Network is known for working with top writers, editors, designers, and strategists. Join a community of proven professionals and receive consistent, well paid work with top brands over the long term. So, if you look over here, you will see that they partner with a very high company like Intel, Cablas, Kafas, and the rest of them. On this platform, you get to communicate with customer, you build your brand, you secure better jobs, you set your rate, and easy client communication. And also you get paid quickly. So I think this platform is worth it if you can produce original content. The next website is called Timebox. If you're looking at ways to make money in 2023, you can sign up on Timebox. It's also available worldwide. There are different tasks you can do to earn money on Timebox. You can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshow, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer survey. For signing up on Timebox, you'll be awarded $1 immediately you sign up on Timebox. And that is one interesting thing about Timebox. They will pay you for answering survey. As you can see here, these are some Nigerians who are able to earn money from this platform in a short period of time. So if you can take this platform serious, it will pay you. I will leave the links to every website I've shared here down below the description for easy access. The next website will pay you for literally listening to audio and typing what you're hearing from that audio. You don't have to create anything or figure anything out. All you'll be doing is to type exactly what you're hearing from the audio. The name of this platform is called Scribbleby. It is a transcription platform. Here you will work as a freelancer. To sign up on this platform, you need to scroll down to below the page where you will find freelancers. Work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. And also, Scribbleby works worldwide. Do check it out and register if you're interested just by clicking on Get Started. The last website is called Freecash. Here you get to see different tags displayed and they also show you the potential earnings for those different tags. For example, here we have Netflix, $5, Dice Dream, $7, TikTok, $2. Here they show you how much you can earn per tax. Their payment method are PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Faucet Pay, and bank transfer. Here you have different tasks you can do to earn real money. So if you haven't signed up on this platform, you can join Freecash now and start making money. I hope you got value from this video. Ensure you share this information to as many as possible. And if you're looking for more ways to earn money online, you can check out this video right here. And I'll see you there. Bye.